Do you need to perform multiple actions on records from different folders? Then try Collections. Collections will now appear as a clipboard icon on the top right hand corner next to the search bar and search to find records. Simply click on this icon and it will take you to your account collection page. To add and remove records from the collection, click the records you want to remove and then the drop down arrow next to the Add to Inspections button, and I can remove this from my collection. If I wanted to add more records into a collection, I go to the folder I want, select my record, the drop down action button, and then Add to Collection. So when I now click on my collection button, the record will appear here. To perform actions on the collection, select all records by clicking the white box at the top, or select the records individually. Click on the drop down arrow, and here's where you can add identifiers, edit, tag, checklists and more. Or I can add inspections by clicking Add 3 Inspections. Once I'm happy with all the actions I need to do on these records, select all records, the drop down arrow, and then remove from collection. So now I have no more records in my collection. Thanks for watching and see you soon.